I think the leadership principle that resonated with me the most is that leaders never stop learning and growing. Especially as an intern, I'm early on, so I feel like there's a lot to learn. But on top of that, I see that in my manager as well, asking for feedback on her presentation, or even my senior director always asking, hey, is this idea something that all of us think of? Or even asking me, someone who's maybe in a more junior role, what do you think? Is this the direction that we should go? Having fresh eyes on it.
The one that resonates with me the most is leaders engender trust. Part of that comes from the hybrid work environment and having that flexibility to get your work done.
Out of MongoDB's leadership principles, the one that resonated most with me is the fact that leaders never stop learning and growing. This principle resonated with me because in the beginning of the internship experience, I found myself uncomfortable with the unknowns, whether that was walking into meetings with little context or walking away with more questions than answers. I quickly learned from this principle that I can reframe my fear of the unknown by looking at it through a lens of excitement for learning and curiosity.
Also, something that stood out was our conversation with the CEO, Dave. One of the things he told us was that when he's in meetings, he always asks the least senior person in the room for their opinion, because that's the person who's usually not like trying to just craft their answer to get the reaction he wants. And so knowing that that kind of humility comes from the top of the company and works its way down, everyone's opinions are valued, I think is a great way to engender trust.